The hijab is not simply about covering the body. It's about shielding the soul and embracing modesty as a means of honoring oneself and one's faith. The hijab symbolizes freedom from societal pressures, allowing women to focus on their intellect, character, and spirituality, rather than their outward appearance. Wearing the hijab is a statement of empowerment, asserting a woman's right to control her body and choose how she presents herself in the world. The hijab is a crown worn by Muslim women, signifying dignity, self-respect, and a commitment to inner beauty over external judgment. The hijab isn't a symbol of oppression. It's a garment of empowerment, offering liberation from objectification and promoting a woman's autonomy. Through the hijab, women find strength in their faith, courage in their convictions, and resilience in the face of societal misconceptions. The hijab is a canvas upon which a woman paints her identity, expressing her devotion to Allah and her commitment to modesty and virtue. Wearing the hijab isn't just a religious obligation. It's a personal choice, a demonstration of faith, and a display of unwavering commitment to Islamic values. The hijab serves as a shield, guarding against superficial judgments and allowing a woman's character and intellect to shine through. The Islamic hijab, a testament to the universal values of modesty and self-respect, transcending cultural barriers. It's a garment that encapsulates dignity, grace, and spiritual devotion, a choice made by women to embody their faith and shield themselves from the superficial judgments of the world. Wearing the Islamic hijab is a proclamation of inner freedom, a choice made by women to reclaim control over their bodies and define beauty on their terms. It's a symbol of empowerment, highlighting their strength in modesty and their commitment to honoring their religious beliefs. The Islamic hijab is an eloquent silence that speaks volumes, a representation of a woman's unwavering commitment to her faith. It's a fabric that shields, not only physically, but also spiritually, allowing her to navigate the world with confidence and dignity. In the Islamic hijab, women find liberation, a liberation from societal standards that often commodify their bodies. It's a garment of empowerment, enabling them to focus on their intellect, character, and spirituality rather than being objectified. The Islamic hijab is a symbol of authenticity, a conscious choice made by women to align their outer appearance with their inner convictions. It represents their unyielding dedication to their faith, modesty, and integrity.